Today I will show you how to create a Google Drive link to share files with others. Let's get started. Open your browser, search for Google Drive. Click on the first result. Click Go to Drive. Click New. Click New Folder. Name your folder. Click Create. Double-click on the folder to open it. Click New, select File, Upload. Choose the files you want to share. To select multiple files, press Ctrl and left-click on each file. Click Open. Wait for the files to upload. Refresh your tab. Click the down arrow next to your folder. Select Share. Click on Share. Click on the Access drop-down menu. Select anyone with the link. Click on the Role drop-down menu and select Viewer. Click Copy Link. Click Done. You can now share this link with your friends, family, and coworkers. Just paste this link into an email, text message, or social media to share it with others. They can then download the folder. Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.